Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the new feature in Facebook Messenger called Rooms. Facebook has launched its latest video conferencing feature called Messenger Rooms, which allows up to 50 people to video chat at a time. There is no limit to how long you can talk, and you don't even need a Facebook account to join a room. So let's go ahead and open up your Facebook app and go to your home feed. At the top of your home feed, you'll see a section called Rooms. You can tap on Rooms at the top right of the page, or you can tap on Create Room icon just below the live icon. Note, if you have interacted with this before, it may expand to become a series of rectangular tiles. A window will pop up giving you a few options. The first one is Room Activity. This option lets you decide what the room is for. Facebook will give you suggestions and you can choose from that. I'll go ahead and select Join Me. The second option gives you a chance to invite people. You can select friends, which includes all of your Facebook friends, or you can choose specific people. I'll go ahead and select specific list of friends. In the third option, you need to select a start time. I'll leave it to now and press next. Once you have pressed next, all of your friends who you have selected will get a notification via their Facebook Messenger to join this room. In this page, you'll see the status of your room, which is active. You can invite more people to join this room by pressing Invite icon. You can share your invitation to the room via a Facebook post by pressing the share icon there. You can edit the room settings, or you can end the room. You can also invite people to the room who don't have Facebook account by the link. Down below, you'll see who has been invited to the room. I'll go ahead and press Join Room to enter the room video conference. Now you're finally in your room. All of your friends will start to join the room. Note, your friends won't be able to join the room unless you're joined to the room. Be aware that calls on rooms like Zoom calls are not end-to-end encrypted. Also, when creating a call, unless you adjust your preference, the room will be open to anyone you're friends with on Facebook. Not only can they join the room, they'll see it at the top of their news feed. And that is how to use a new feature from Facebook Messenger called Rooms. So I hope you did find this useful. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss another social media app and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.